What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Caesar. I have another unboxing for you guys, and this shoe is so sick, and I'm so glad I was able to cop. I did get this off of Clothing, END Clothing, and they are 100% legit company. I made a video about this, you guys. They have all kinds of designer, high end. They're based out of London, so a lot of people from the US haven't heard of them, including me. When I first got into the shoe game, I was like, what is Clothing? You guys, you gotta look them up, 100% legit. This is actually a draw. So I put in for the raffle, and I got selected, and so you automatically win. You have to put your credit card information, all that good stuff. But once you're selected, you win. They ship out your shoe. They give you a confirmation email, all that good stuff. And you guys, this came from London, and it got here in 3 days. Like, that's crazy timing to me. Like, sometimes I don't even get shoes from the US in 3 days. And to get this from 3 days, that was crazy to me. So, these shoes, let me pull out my phone so you guys can see what I'm talking about here. All right, here is the screenshot. It does not add up. It does not make sense, but I did not ask any questions because it looks like I might not have paid for either the shipping or the tax. I don't know if there was a promo during the shipping, but I'm not going to ask any questions. So it should have been probably like $15 more than what I paid, but it was $229.50. Okay, these shoes came out for $220. So paying only $9.50 over is not bad at all, especially tax in my state. I live in San Diego, California, and the shipping cost. So I'm not gonna ask any questions, but I did get these, and I'm so happy because these guys, you guys, they just look so sick. It's a sick shoe. I actually did get another one of these, and believe it or not, I was going to save it, but I'll let you guys know. So I was able to hit a size 14, which is kind of rare, and I got it off of this shoe site that is not that popular. So I never even heard of them, actually. So when I find those new shoe sites, it's kind of like but you know, I like to pay with PayPal. That way, if there's anything going on, you could dispute it, or they're not trying to hack your account, all that good stuff. So definitely use PayPal if you're going to go with a store that you've never heard of. But, you know, if you guys want to know what store, let me know in the comment box. I can make another video just for you guys. And you guys have been showing me a lot of support, and I appreciate every viewer and every subscriber I have. Okay, so let's get into it. So these are Adidas. I happen to be wearing an Adidas shirt. Adidas Pharrell Williams HUMND. And this is UK size 7, which translates to 7.5 in US. Okay, so the small sizes are doing real good, especially because these are the pink ones. And so the pink ones, they're gonna appeal to the ladies, of course, and even the guys. Like, I even like the shoe, but I'm just saying, like, a smaller shoe, size pink, is the way to go. And before I open it up, I just want to show you guys the box. There is nothing too crazy with the box here. It's just to me, it's plain Jane. It's one of the, you know, the plain Jane Pharrell Williams' boxes. Let me put this for you guys could see it. I do have the studio light behind. There we go. So that's all the info right there. And let me open up so you guys could check these puppies out, so I could check them out too. You guys, these are sick. I put in for the, you know, the all black ones, and I did put that in my size because I really wanted it to cop in my size. But I did not get the black ones, believe it or not. I do cop a lot of shoes, and I do show how I do it. So, you know, subscribe to the channel if you guys want more info. But, like, these are sick, you guys. These are sick. Couldn't hit the black ones, but I did get the pink ones. So as you guys can see, it does come with a different set of laces here. And I'm gonna say that I prefer the spare laces because they come in that same pink color, where the ones that are on there, they're kind of like, they're like light pink. Like, you guys tell me what color you think that is. It looks light pink to me. And these ones are like, they perfectly match. Like, they are in the bag, but you guys could see that they are like the same pink color. All right. And it does have the boost. You guys could actually see the boost through the bottom. That's those white, it's like that spongy material that is so comfortable. Every time I have a boost shoe on my channel, I always say, you know, like, it's the comfortablest. Like, I had some boost shoes, they're Adidas, and I was walking around Disneyland all day the other day, and when I got home I was good to go. Like, you don't feel it on your feet, like even from walking around all day. It's crazy. Okay, so I'm just noticing something going on the inside, and I really don't know what it is, but you got like a bunch of like wording and stuff in there. Let me see if you guys are gonna be able to see it. It's probably gonna be hard. I don't even know what all that stuff is. Okay, so stomach, diaphragm, I guess it's like body parts or bones. Okay, about the pelvis, so that's a bone. Oh, then you got stomach, so I'm not sure what's going on with that, but you do got body parts and bones and all kinds of stuff on the inside. Okay, so I just noticed the difference. So it does say Pharrell Williams on the back of this one right here. Pharrell Williams. And then on this one, it does say Adidas. Okay, so you do have the two right there. So let me go back to the Pharrell Williams and see. It looks like the same, but this one has more. Like, you got lungs, liver. This one has also stomach, but you have more stuff on this one than you do the other one. So I'm not sure what that's about. Maybe I should have read up on the shoe before I did my video, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. So this is it. You guys could do the research and let me know what's up with all those body parts and stuff like that. But this is the shoe, and I'm so glad that I hit, and I've got the other one on the way. I can't wait till that one gets here, because like I said, it's a size 14, and size 14 for some reason is going for like $800 or something crazy like that. So hopefully I don't think I'm gonna get that much, but hopefully I get into the 400 range. That'd be cool. So this one is actually going for $300. So you guys seen how much I got it for? $230. This one's going for $300, and I could let it go for that $300. I would not be mad at myself if I did let it go for that much. So if you guys like this video, do not forget to give me that like. Any questions, any comments down in the subscriber box, I was gonna say, in the comment box. But do subscribe, hit that subscriber box, and I will check you guys out on the next video.